Ooh, welcome, man. Another day. Actually, 2 days later, guys. Y'all recognize this same Jeep? Yes, guys. You know what that means? All right, my time has run out. Y'all remember I told y'all last time, I think it was the last video I uploaded, that I was in trouble. Yes, this is a heat case, guys. It was a heat case, and then I was able to buy some more time. That wasn't playing, guys. I didn't know that transmission was damaged. But anyway, I was only able to buy 2 additional days time just to find out. Remember, I found out the transmission was damaged. So they put a rush on it. And here we are. I was on my lottery number, still didn't hit. So here I am, bringing this damn Jeep in here. You know why? Because the transmission that they ordered is now here, guys. Yes. What's up, man? Yes, your boy done put it off as long as possible. Oh my goodness. Things that we go through around here, guys. Hey, I see that gravy box. Who recognize Tom Cook and Hella? They dealer, guys. They probably recognize this. I don't know. If y'all don't use Vaseline, y'all don't recognize it. Look at that. Timing belt. Yeah. Look at that. Tom Cook. What y'all know about this? Hella guy. What's up, man? Differential service. Hey, water pump. It's a 3.5, guys. Getting ready to do a water pump and a transmission repair on a Magnum. Dude, man. Wow, you already got it out. What the world? You brought it all out together? You brought it all out together?
Yeah, I'm gonna take the transmission guy to get it all. It's leaking somewhere.
Oh, okay.
It's been leaking. He built it already, so I'm gonna take it to him. I'm gonna take the engine apart, second machine shop, and see what all that stuff.
That is neat. He brought it all out together, yeah. And what's weird, he just started on it about 3 hours ago. 3 hours later, the whole damn engine is laying on the jack. Look at that. Okay. I thought I would catch him taking it out, guys, but I reacted too slowly. And before I knew it, it was out. All right, so let's go. Yeah, they dropped it off over here, guys. Oh, so what are the chances of this one damage? Slim to none, guys. They was very careful with this one. All right. I mean, it is so boxed up perfect. There's no chance. Y'all saw how the last one looked, right? Yeah, they got this thing shipped like a JT. They put a rush on this. I'm like, take your time. Take your time. Remember, guys, the only problem beef I got with this is this is an all-wheel drive. All right, not the transmission, but on the car. It's going on this Cherokee right here. Why FCA? Why? Look at that. That is the way a transmission is supposed to be wrapped. Sitting on the box flat, taped up, the whole 9 yards. So guys, I don't have time to waste. Let me show y'all what else I got going. I got a charger outside, guys. Y'all know FCA, the NAG 1 transmission is discontinued, right? So guess what we had to resort to? Y'all see that? Jasper. All right. Now, this was fixable, guys. The 604s, the NAGs, the 42RE, the A604, all those transmissions are buildable. We got parts for those, but some establishment much rather, and I've come to the conclusion to where I don't blame them. All right, the price of the parts to repair these can sometimes be a little extreme, to where it makes economical sense to just replace it. Now in this case, I don't know, because I don't know what Jasper charged for transmission. This is a NAG 1 transmission, so I don't know. That's what I got going there. All right, so we'll see, guys. That's pretty easy there. That's rear wheel drive, no all-wheel drive junk like that. But this is the one that's heat case. I might get in the office, called in the office, and I definitely have to be on time in the morning. I might get written up or something. I don't know, but it's really not my fault. Okay, so but it's my problem now. So, yes, I got to finish because I really, you know, when I'm tied up on a heat case, guys, they'll try to give my gravy to somebody else, and I ain't having that. So I got to hurry up with this training so I can get to my gravy timing belt. It's about 6-7 hours right here. I'm not giving it up. So watch how fast I get this. I'm gonna go home now and do some homework. Yes, guys, we got homework. We do homework. I gotta find out the easiest route from a book standpoint, how to get this transmission out. Normally I let it up and look it over and go by sight, but I got some free time tonight. I'm gonna edit a couple of videos and then jump on Dealer Connect and see what it takes to get this trans out, how FCA wants you to get it out. All right, we want to see what y'all looking at.
You don't know nothing about this.
An engine is an engine is an engine.
It's an engine.
Look, what are you trying to see about doing this?
Now this is a $13,000 block and 2 heads.
Yeah, that shit expensive.
I just called. One of the cylinder heads, which is that one there, is like $5 grand. But that's engine cylinder management, which is the valve timing. Sets up, turns off cylinders. Yeah, it's,
What, you need a head?
no, I need a cam.
The cam and the valve.
Oh, come on, man. Hold on. Wait, what happened?
I don't know. First time my timing belt broke, I
Yeah.
heard it tick, 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 so it hit a valve, but it drove perfect. And then the second time the timing belt broke, it kind of mad. What the fuck, man? It's
Yeah.
got 4.
Why this one discolored? what's the color difference? It's a
always
problem.
like that.
It's the problem head.
It's always
No.
like, even with the
No.
2.7s or 2.7s like that too.
You gotta understand one thing. This head works harder than that one.
Oh,
It's not a
Lord.
problem head.
Uh,
This head turns off the 3 cylinders, so they just idling. So this one drives.
oh, for real.
Yeah. It's a 6-3, so it's like a, you know. So this one here has a engine management, which turns off the 3 cylinders, which so it's less working.
So what's the plan? What you gonna salvage it? Keep it?
I'm gonna take it to machine shop. Ball is like up 2 months behind.
Oh, ball. Yeah,
So I'm gonna take it to another guy that Kevin Keller told me about.
Oh, for real.
We used to use one guy over there in Peach Industrial, but Kevin is like, yeah, man, I got this guy is good too. He's very good. I said, okay. So I called him. I'm like, hey, how long? When can I bring it today? I said, all right, cool. So I ordered a camshaft, so I'll have to probably put this in the car and just take it to him.
Oh, the block and the heads and foul it up. Oh, you gonna take the valve train with you?
No, he doesn't. I asked him if he assembles it. He's like, no, I don't do that. I'm like, okay, whatever.
So what are you gonna do? Pressure test it and make sure it's straight?
I'm gonna have him pull the pistons, turn the crank. I'm gonna redo the whole thing.
Oh, you trying to keep the engine, huh?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. So I'm gonna have him clean it, hone it, get the pistons cleaned up, checked everything, do probably a valve job in both heads, clean them out. Literally,
Yeah, like an overhaul.
I love the van. I use the van every day.
You
So
do.
man,
I don't know why you don't got a Chrysler van. You just really.
do that.
Why would you do that? You wouldn't have these problems.
239,000 miles.
Oh yeah,
Never
you
had
did.
issues with this van.
Yeah, you got your work cut out out of this one.
And then I'm gonna take the transmission to.
Oh yeah, I remember
My
you
guy
telling me
let
that. Yeah, the other thing.
He's gonna fix that. This should fit in my BMW, so I should be alright.